Quality auditing is a high-demand career path that offers opportunities for growth, specialization, and leadership. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in the field, understanding the key steps to building a successful career in quality auditing is essential. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Why choose a career in quality auditing? 2. Essential skills and qualifications for auditors. 3. Certifications and career pathways. 4. Strategies for long-term career growth. By following these steps, professionals can increase their expertise, expand their career options, and achieve long-term success. 1. Why choose a career in quality auditing? Growing demand across industries. Organizations in manufacturing, healthcare, aerospace, IT, and finance require auditors to ensure compliance and continuous improvement. Competitive salaries and job stability. Quality auditors earn higher than average salaries, with experienced auditors advancing into management and leadership roles. Diverse career paths. Opportunities to specialize in internal audits, supplier audits, environmental compliance, cybersecurity, and regulatory affairs. Global career opportunities. Certifications like CQA, ISO, Lead Auditor, and Six Sigma are recognized worldwide. 2. Essential skills and qualifications for auditors. Technical knowledge, understanding ISO 9001, ISO 19001, IATF 16949, FDA GMP, and OSHA. Analytical and problem-solving skills, conducting root cause analysis, 5 whys, fishbone diagram, FMEA. Strong communication and interpersonal skills, conducting audit interviews and presenting findings to management. Attention to detail and objectivity, ensuring audit findings are fact-based and free from bias. 3. Certifications and career pathways. Entry-level certifications. Certified Quality Technician, ASQ. ISO 9001 Internal Auditor Certification. Intermediate certifications. Certified Quality Auditor, ASQ. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 Lead Auditor. Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. Advanced certifications. Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence, CMQOE, ASQ. Certified Six Sigma Black Belt. Certified Risk and Compliance Management Professional. Career progression path. Quality Auditor, Lead Auditor, Compliance Manager, Quality Director, VP of Quality and Compliance. 4. Strategies for long-term career growth. Continue learning and specializing. Stay updated on ISO standards, regulatory requirements, and industry trends. Gain hands-on audit experience. Participate in cross-functional audits and supplier evaluations. Expand your professional network. Join organizations like ASQ, RCA, and IIA. Seek mentorship and leadership roles. Learn from experienced quality managers and auditors. Key takeaways. Quality auditing is a rewarding career with growth potential in manufacturing, healthcare, IT, and more. Technical knowledge, analytical thinking, and communication skills are key to success. Certifications like CQA, Six Sigma, and ISO Lead Auditor enhance career opportunities. Continuous learning, networking, and leadership experience help auditors advance to senior roles. By investing in certifications, hands-on experience, and professional development, quality auditors can build a long-term successful career. In the next lesson, we'll explore emerging trends in quality auditing and how technology is shaping the future of audits.